What's up everybody, it's Critical here for another ass-blasting typecasting meme review. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glowy effect in Krita, because we all know that's what that's all about. So first what you're gonna bleh, I can't talk today, I just woke up, can you tell? What you're first going to want to do is hide all your layers except your color layer, and then just color select the areas you want to be glowing. Sometimes you might not want all areas of a particular color to be glowing, but then you can just, deselect that with the Alt tool. But I want everything glowing here, so we're just going to keep with that. And so then you're going to create another layer, and then just pick whatever color you want it to glow. Personally, I'm just sticking with the same color, but you can choose pretty much anything, depending on what effect you want to achieve. Then you're just going to go over to Fill tool, hide the color layer first, obviously, and then go to the new layer and use the fill bucket to fill it with that. And then you can have all your layers back if you want, doesn't really matter at this point. And then you're just going to go up to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and then I like to do at least 50% blur, although obviously, as you can see, I think having more of a blur creates more of a glowy effect, although it can make it a bit more gradient out as it gets bigger. Look, I can't talk today. You'll just have to sort of assume what I mean through the use of a Ouija board and a dictionary. Anyways, from this particular case, I think I'll go with about this much glow. Okay, and then you can stop there if you want. But personally, what I like to do is I have it above the line art layer, so you get that nice glow on the line art as well. And then you can stop there, but I like to keep going and use the overlay grain merge effect. If you haven't seen any of my tutorials before, you don't know what this is. Basically, I just set one layer to overlay 50% to get sort of that nice faint color effect of there. And you just copy that and then scroll up until you hit grain merge, and then that'll take care of altering the actual line art itself instead of just the color layer. Blech. And then you can just increase or decrease the intensity of the glow however you want there. So yeah, that's just how I do it. You can do it however, whatever. Basically, you got a lot of options. You're not limited to anything. Krita has a whole lot of layer options you can choose from when it comes to this kind of thing. So just kind of mess around and see what works for you, I guess. Because that's about it. Goodbye.